punctures. As you can see here, one of our representative is filling the solution. It's a very thick black fluid and it's going directly into the tires, as you can see. And if the puncture got happened, then it will seal the tire off. As you can see, this is a Maruti Swift. It will take 250 ml for each tire, so 1 liter for the whole car. Yeah, as you can see, 250 ml for one tire, so 1 liter will be enough, right, for the whole car. And as you can see,
टायर साइज के ऊपर भी डिपेंड है. ये एक डेमो है.
So this is a demo. He is hammering the nail and he will pull that off. You just have to roll the tire once and ta-da, the magic appears. So there will be no more punctures. Have a safe journey.